So, hi dear Capricorn, a very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a journal of reading for all the Capri Sun, Moon, Venus rising from today till the 22nd of September. For those who are in complete no contact or no communication and wants to know what's going on the other side, keep in mind this is journal. It might or might not resonate with you at the first place. The second thing, the roles can be reversed also. The action can be from your side also. Okay, and let's start. If you want to be a professional tarot card reader like me, you can start your journey by purchasing my course. The link is in the description box for the same. If you want to start your self-healing journey with Ho'oponopono but don't know from where to start, you can definitely start by purchasing my masterclass. Again, the link is in the description box for the same, and it has the power to change your life for the rest of your life. Trust me on that. I'm doing it from a very long time now. And if you want one-on-one healing sessions or personal readings, you can check out the description box and you can mail me for the same. So let's start. Let's see what we have. Cappy is the person that you have no contact or no communication with. Their current feelings for you right now. It's like this is somebody in their mind space. There's this energy of, okay, let's talk to Capricorn. At least we can clear the misunderstanding. We can clear the air. But when it comes to the feeling, they are in the waiting and watching mood. Okay, they are waiting and watching from your side. They are waiting for the time when either you are going to take some kind of action to resolve the issue between you guys. If you have already taken that, if you have already done that, now this person is waiting for the right time when some kind of chaos or conflict or drama is going to settle down, and then they are going to take some kind of action from their side. Take it how it resonates with you. If you have already done everything in your power to resolve the issue, now they are waiting for the right time and they will be able to take the action from their side to make amends with you. They are waiting for the dust to settle down. Okay, and if you are not taking any kind of action in this direction, they are waiting for some kind of action from your side, even if it is going to turn into some kind of disaster. Take it how it resonates with you. But this person is in waiting and watching mode. They have in their mind space this idea to at least have a friendly kind of cordial kind of communication with you, if not more than that. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions? We have the Two of Wands, the Two of Cups, and the Four of Swords. Bottom of the deck is a Chariot. As of now, this person wants to physically keep moving on, keep moving on, keep in this energy of going beyond this particular situation. Okay, so they want this energy of waiting. Either they are dealing with two people at the same time, two energies at the same time, or they are waiting for the right time when they are going to resolve the issue with you. But right now, they need a lot of time, a lot of space, and a lot of healing. Then they might approach you at some point of time, or then they are planning to approach you in the future, or they are waiting for the time when you are going to approach them. But as of now, they are in the waiting and watching phase. I don't think this person wants to do anything about it. They have decided to just wait and watch and heal themselves properly and letting the situation go. But they, at the same time, they have this plan to reach out to you or connect with you in the future when they will be completely healed, or they will be able to make amends with you in some way. So this is like waiting and watching and doing nothing kind of a deal as of now from this person's side, in their feelings and in their intentions both. Okay, now if they're dealing with somebody else, that is also the main reason that they're not approaching you, and they are in this energy of detaching from you. Or for some of you, you are dealing with somebody else. That is why they're creating more space. Okay, the action from this person's side, they're just putting in the effort and energy in manifesting a lot of patience, manifesting a lot of courage and a lot of strength to not to do anything about the situation. This is taking them a lot of courage and strength to not to create any kind of drama, to create any kind of more issues in the situation anymore. This person is definitely putting in the effort and energy in manifesting this power of patience, this power of strength, this power of uh, not doing much about the situation, just letting it go. Okay, I don't see this person taking any kind of initiative or doing anything about the situation. Although this person is watching you from a distance, they're keeping tabs on you, they're kind of stalking you online in whatever they possible way they can. Okay, so yeah, they do stalk you, they do watch you, they do know what you are up to and everything about it. But at the same time, I don't see this person not having any interest in you. This is not the case. The case is that might be you had an ugly breakup or ugly separation, or might be you guys are dealing with some other people already, and that is why you guys are not able to reconnect or whatever. But this person is definitely in this energy of reconnecting with you in the future, when the timing is going to be fine, when the dust is going to settle, and when they will be able to come towards you as a healed person, as a evolved energy, then they want to do something about it. As of now, nothing. Okay, let's see the guidance for you guys in the situation, Cappies. We have the Ten of Pentacles. Focus on whatever makes you happy, including your family and people who are like family too. Focus on your stability, long-term stability, like in money, job, career, as well, and otherwise as well. Right now, you should be more focused on your stability, financial stability, emotional and mental stability, and surround yourself with people, things, or situations that makes you happy, that makes you feel grounded, and that makes you feel safe and secure around you, right, within yourself also and around you as well. Give the same energy to those people who needs it right now. Okay, don't focus more on the lack, focus on more on the abundance, okay, of people, situations, things, and happiness. It will multiply. So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Cappies. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you, namaste.